Message passing. Message passing, it provides a mechanism to allow process to communicate and to synchronize their actions without sharing the same address space, and is particularly useful in a distributed environment where the communicating process may reside on different computers connected by a network. That means that message passing is mainly used to work when we have to work in a distributed environment, or when you have to make the communication with computers in a network. Okay, suppose we want to send a message from our system to a friend who is in a different place. Okay, so what we do is we send a message from, for example, we'll send a message from our phone, and it will be received by a friend who is in a different place. So two processes in different place need to communicate. So this is a scenario. So in this such case, we go for message passing. Whereas in shared memory, both the processes were residing in a same system or a same machine. Whereas when the processes for communication is residing on different place or on a different system, we go for message passing. So message passing is done or achieved using two primitives. One is the send and the receive operation, send message and receive message operations. So send message means the operation which allows a process to send message to another process which it wants to communicate. Okay, and receive message means it's an operation that allows the recipient process to receive message from the sender process. Okay, and again the message is sent by a process can be either of a fixed size or a variable size. So first let us look what a fixed size is. So fixed size when the length of the message is fixed. Okay, so at this, when we look into the system level implementation, it is very easy for implement because the length of the message is fixed. But the programming, when we look into the programming side, it will be difficult, because if you want to send a longer message, it is not possible when we are using fixed size. Next is the variable size. Okay, so the variable size means when we look into the system implementation level, it will be very difficult because we have to take care of the size of the message. It is not fixed, so we have to take care of that. But when looking at the programming side, it will be simpler because longer messages can also be sent without easiness. Okay, that is, if P and Q want to communicate with each other, they must be able to send or receive message from each other. Okay, and P and Q may be residing in different machines or places. So how this is possible? There must be a communication channel or a communication link which will connect these two processes. Suppose the processes are P and Q, and if they wish to communicate, make a communication between each other or send some messages between each other, then it is made possible by using a communication link. Okay, and after making a communication link, they can exchange the messages. Okay, that is, they can send and receive messages using the send and receive operations. Now this link can be implemented in a variety of ways. Okay, we can implement it logically using the three methods. One is direct or indirect communication, synchronous or asynchronous communication, automatic or explicit buffering. Okay, these are the techniques by which we can implement this communication link, and there are several issues related with these, namely the naming, synchronization and buffering. Okay, so we'll look into detail in the next video.